Today, we will share expert tips to help you excel in each of the 4 sections. Let me introduce those 4 sections to you. First, verbal reasoning. Second, quantitative reasoning. Third, analytical writing. And fourth, critical thinking. Now, let's start with verbal reasoning. First, read comprehension passages strategically. Focus on the main idea and supporting details. Second, identify question type like text completion, sequence equivalence, and reading comprehension. Third, vocabulary building. Learn prefix, suffix, and word groups. Fourth, practice critical thinking. Analyze arguments and evaluate the evidences. Fifth, manage time effectively. Allocate 1.5 minutes per question. Now let's move on to the next section, quantitative reasoning. First, review basic math concepts, algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Second, understand question format, problem solving, or quantitative comparison. Third, vocabulary building. Learn prefix, suffix, and word groups. Fourth, use the process of elimination. Eliminate the incorrect answer choices. Fifth, stay calm and focused. Manage time and avoid careless errors. Now, let's talk about analytical writing. First, understand the essay prompt, issue, or argument essays. Second, develop a clear thesis statement. Focus on main argument. Third, organize your essays like introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Fourth, use persuasive language. Support your argument with evidences. Fifth, practice under time pressure. 30 minutes per essay. Now let's move on to our last section, critical thinking. First, familiarize yourself with the format because this section is completely based on research. Second, understand the purpose. Evaluate critical thinking and analytical skills. Third, manage your time. Allocate specific time for each section. Fourth, stay focused. Don't get distracted by unscored sections. Fifth, practice adapting to new question types. By mastering these tips for each section, you will be well prepared to ace the GRE. Remember to practice consistently and stay confident. Wants to learn more? Join our demo lecture at CELECT Academy and get to know the secrets of scoring like an ace in GRE. As an ETS market ambassadors, we can also help you to register for the exam at an exclusive price. Give us a call at a given number